Your number one rootage on earth are your ndichi, your ndian. Rootage, your roots. Spirituality is veneration of your roots, not veneration of one root like that they told you came from somewhere in the Bible, one book like that started the other day. That's false. That's a scam. Transgenerational Ponzi scheme. That's what it is. MMM. Your NDH are anti-foreign occults because those foreign occults might have been instituted using what is in Swan. As such, you being in a foreign occult is a death sentence to you. You feel like get uprooted and nothing your grandmaster can do about it. Highest, but as one wise occultist, or maybe not just cultist, Bam Boy on my page said, we often get uprooted. None of us lives here uprooted. Wise guy.